Hey friends, welcome to English Smart Practice. We've got a great story to help you learn real English naturally.
First, listen and enjoy the story. Then, we'll explain the most useful words and phrases. Let's begin.
Story. Hi, my name is Emily. I love playing the violin. Music is my favorite thing in the world. Every day, I spend a lot of time with my violin, learning new songs and practicing old ones. I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. After brushing my teeth and eating breakfast, I go to my room and take out my violin. My cat, Muffin, likes to sit on my desk and watch me play. "Good morning, Muffin. Are you ready to hear my new song?" I say. I put the violin under my chin and start playing. Sometimes it is difficult. Some notes are tricky and my fingers hurt. But I don't give up. I know that practicing every day will make me better. After practicing, I go to school. I like my school, but I always think about my violin. I can't wait to go home and play again. At lunch, I tell my friends, "I practiced a new song today. It sounds beautiful." My friend Anna says, "Wow, Emily, you are really talented. I wish I could play an instrument." I smile and say, "You can. Maybe you can try the piano or guitar. Music is fun for everyone." When I come home, I put my bag down and go straight to my violin. Sometimes my little sister Ava listens. "Play the happy song, Emily," she shouts. I laugh and play the song. Ava dances around the room. It makes me feel happy. Music is not only my hobby, it also makes other people smile. On Saturdays, I go to a music class at the local music school. My teacher, Mr. James, is very kind. He teaches me how to read music notes and play songs correctly. Today, we are learning a new song called "Sunrise in the Park." It has many fast notes, and it is difficult. I practice slowly at first, then faster, until I can play it perfectly. After the lesson, Mr. James says, "Emily, you are improving very fast. I am proud of you." I feel excited. My teacher's praise gives me energy to practice even more. Every month, our class performs for our parents. I feel nervous before playing. My hands shake a little. I take a deep breath and start playing. The song is perfect. My parents smile and my friends clap loudly. I feel proud and confident. Music makes me brave. Sometimes, at night, I imagine playing in a big concert hall in front of hundreds of people. I see bright lights and everyone is listening to my violin. It motivates me. I tell myself, if I practice every day, maybe one day, I will become a famous violinist. Until that day comes, I will keep playing, learning, and enjoying my favorite hobby. Music is my life, and I am happy with my violin.
Words and phrases.
Practice. To do something again and again to get better. Example, I practice English every day. Give up. To stop trying because something is too hard. Example, don't give up on your dreams. Note. A sound in music or the symbol that shows that sound. Example, I am learning to read music notes. Instrument. An object used to make music, like a piano or violin. Example, the guitar is my favorite instrument. Hobby. An activity that you like to do in your free time. Example, reading books is her hobby. Song. A short piece of music with notes that you can play on an instrument. Example, I learned a new song on my violin. Talented. Having a natural skill or ability. Example, she is a talented singer.
Improve. To get better at something. Example, my English is improving.
Praise. Kind words that show you did something well. Example, the teacher gave her praise for the good work.
Proud. Feeling happy and good about what you or someone else has done. Example, I am proud of my violin performance.
Motivate. To give someone energy or a reason to do something. Example, a good teacher can motivate students to learn.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.